In which year was the Gnanapita Award first instituted? Right answer 1965. Who was the first recipient of the Gnanapita Award? G. Shankara Kurup. Who was the first woman to receive the Gnanapita Award? Ashapurna Devi. Which Kannada writer won the Gnanapita Award in 1967? Masti Venkatesh Iyengar. Who won the Gnanapita Award for Hindi Literature in 1971? Sumitra Nandan Pant. Which Bengali writer won the Gnanapita Award in 1974? Tara Shankar Bandyopadhyay. Who is the first English language writer to receive the award? No English writer yet. Who won the Gnanapita Award in the 1983 for works in Malayalam? Tazaki Shivashankar Pillai. Which language has received the most Gnanapita Award? Kannada. Who was the first Urdu writer to receive the Gnanapita Award? Firoz Gorakhpuri. Which Telugu writer received the award in 1988? C. Narayana Reddy. Girish Karnad received the Gnanapita Award in which year? 1999. U.R. Anantamurthy received the Gnanapita Award for which novel? Samskara. Which woman Kannada writer received the award in 2003? None of the above. Who received the Gnanapita Award in 2007 Bengali Literature? Sunil Gangopadhyaya. O.N.V. Kurup received the award for his contribution to which language? Malayalam. In which year was Amrit Pritham awarded the Gnanapit? 1981. Who is the only Konkani writer to receive the award? Ravindra Kelkar. Which Gujarati poet received the award in 1985? Ma Shankar Joshi. Who received the Gnanapita Award in 2019 for Sanskrit poetry? Satyavarta Shastri. Which language was added the Gnanapita list in 1975? Maithili. Which famous Assumes writer received the award in 2000? Indira Goswami. Which Tamil writer received the award in 2005? D. Jayakantan. Who received the award in 2002 for Urdu literature? None of the above. Who is the 50th recipient of the Gnanapita Award? Amitav Ghosh. Krishna Shobhati was awarded the Gnanapita in which year? 2018. Which Odia writer received the Gnanapita in 2011? Sitakant Mahaprat. Which Kannada writer received the award in 1983? Shivarama Karanth. Which Marathi poet received the award in 1996? Kusumagraj. Who received the Gnanapita Award in 1974 for Kannada literature? Shivarama Karanth.